back. Today in the stand we have our 1994 Specialized Hardrock Ultra. This was my free bike. Somebody had it up on Craigslist and just wanted to get it out of the garage, and I happily obliged them. It's basically all original bike. Nothing's really been changed on it. The guy said it was just left in his garage when he bought the house and not working. Somebody had removed the derailleur and removed the cable from the front derailleur, and it had sat in his garage for a while and he just wanted to get rid of it, so I took it. So this one's going to go to my wife. She's wanting a bike, and since it is all very entry-level components, and I happen to have a complete LX group set that would have been available from 93 to 95, it's appropriate for this 94 Hardrock. So this will be a pretty straightforward build. I'm just swapping over parts. Oh gosh. It does not need to be that tight. Whoever built this over-torqued every single bolt. So I have this Mag 21 fork that is functioning and has a 1 1/8 threadless headset, and what I need is threaded, and I need a 1-inch, which this is on this one here. However, someone's cut it off at some point and re-welded it, and I don't really trust that, but that's the size I need. Now I do have a 1-inch that is threadless that I could swap over to these legs. I just don't have a 1-inch threadless headset at the moment. So, you know, you don't have to leave a comment that this is totally unsafe. I know it is. I'm just doing this for the build. And then when I get the headset, I will swap in, I got a bunch of forks down there. I will swap in the correct one that's a 1-inch that is this one here. So I'll take care of that when I get the right headset. So that took a little off-camera persuasion with a rubber mallet, but it came off. And these are not the brakes I'm going to use. So these can come off. Okay, so this took a little creativity. This stair tube's a little tall, and I didn't have enough 1-inch shims, or yeah, 1-inch spacers. So I grabbed a 1 1/8 and used a shim that came with my height right to shim the inside of the 1 1/8. So at any rate, this isn't staying. I'm going to switch it to the threadless once I get the threadless headset in. But it's functional for now, so I can at least complete the build and you can see the video. So this head tube situation keeps getting stranger. The inside diameter of the head tube is too narrow for a standard 1-inch threadless stem. Now, I know that there was a French standard for a 1-inch headset that was slightly thinner, more narrow, and I happen to have one off of an old Raleigh, so I tried it, and it works. So it's kind of a goofy situation, but again, I'm switching this to the 1-inch threadless once I get the headset in. So it's a temporary thing. I have LX front derailleurs. I have 2 of them, and I plan to use them. They're both 31.8 millimeter clamp, which is too big. So neither of those work. But I do have an STX, which isn't as nice, but it's the right size clamp. So this is what's going to replace the Alivio. So I really have no desire to use the Alivio wheel set that came with this bike. I grabbed this. It's a XT hub. So we're going to use this. So this turned it into more of a part spin special than I wanted it to. Okay, so I decided not to post this right away. I've waited for the proper headset to come in and I have all the parts. So I'm going to go ahead and swap out the headset for threadless and put the proper head tube on this fork, and we're going to make this right. This is going to be a good bike. Okay, so now it's all done. A 1994 Specialized Hardrock Ultra upgraded to a Mag 21, now has the proper 1-inch threadless setup on it rather than that crappy welded together threaded headset, LX shifters and derailleurs and brakes, XT hubs on the wheels, and I think this is going to be a good trail bike for my wife. So let me know what you think. I'm actually pretty happy with the way this one turned out, and I think it'll work well with the stump jumper I have here. So see you on the trails. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.